Daphne, I've been eating hamburgers. Oh my God. Hey everybody, welcome to Words Phrases. The word of the day is conscience. Conscience. And it's a noun, and it means a part of your mind that tells you what is right or wrong, or whether your actions are right or wrong. The pronunciation is like this. Even though it looks like conscience, it isn't. It's conscience, 2 syllables, conscience, stress on the first. And in the normal alphabet, it's something like that, conscience, conscience. All right, now, to illustrate the word conscience, let's have a look at a little story. Okay, this is the duck family. This is Dylan and his wife Daphne. All right, now Daphne is worried about Dylan's weight. You can see he's a little bit large, so she wants him to go on a diet. So Daphne has asked him to eat a lot of carrots and a lot of cabbage and a lot of corn. All right, and of course Dylan promises that he will eat a lot of vegetables. Make sure you eat your vegetables, Dylan. I certainly will, Daphne. Now a few months later, look what's happened. Dylan has put on weight. What the hell have you been doing, Dylan? Daphne, I promise you, I've been eating all my vegetables. Now this is in fact a lie, and this is playing on Dylan's conscience. All right? In fact, he has a guilty conscience because he has in fact been eating some pretty bad food. So he wants to clear his conscience, and he tells Daphne, Daphne, I've been eating hamburgers. Oh my God. Anyway, Dylan has now cleared his conscience, and he promises to be a good boy and eat all his vegetables. And after a few months he loses some weight. And after a few more months he loses even more weight. So the duck family are now very happy. Dylan is telling the truth to his wife, and he has a clear conscience. Okay, so I have a question for you. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you if you have a guilty conscience. Simply, can you use conscience in a sentence? Write it in the comments. Alright everyone, so it's goodbye from me and goodbye from the duck family. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Off for a hamburger. Don't you dare.